Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ritwam, your favorite finance lady. Okay, so today's video is actually highly requested. A lot of people have been telling me, oh Rita, you need to make videos on how to make money online and the likes. I'm like, okay, so this is the video for you guys. So this video is going to be in two parts. The first part, that's this video, I'm going to be talking about the precautions and necessary things you need to look out for when making money online. So basically it's not just making money online, you need to look out for some things. So this video is the video. Why the second part of the video is going to be talking about different platforms, how to make money online and the likes. So if you're interested in the video, please stay tuned. Yeah, hey, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Yes, this is the finance lady. For the existing subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for liking my video, for sharing my video, for watching it. You guys are awesome. Thank you. For the new guys, if you are new here, please don't forget to check out my previous video. I'm going to put the link in my description box below. Please check it out. Yes. Okay, so today, I said it before, I'm going to be talking about necessary precautions you need to take, things you need to watch out for before making money online. Guys, yes, not all platforms are genuine, as issues relating to scamming and hacks are widespread all over the internet. You need to take necessary precautions to ensure that money earned online are authentic and genuine. I'll be starting with the few points. I'm going to give you a few points or the things you need to watch out for when trying to make money online or when transacting online. So the first point is ensure the sites are secured. So how do you know a secured site? For you to know a secured site, you need to watch out for the address bar. That is the HTTPS. The S there is secured, so it shows that the site is secured. So it's HTTPS before the website name. And also you need to watch out for the padlock symbol. So there's a padlock symbol before the HTTPS. So these are just the signs to show that the site is secure. Also take note, there are some scam sites that also have those padlock signs and the HTTPS. So it's a good thing for you to know that it's secured, but another thing is the site itself might actually not be a legit site. So that's what I'm trying to say. Make sure you watch out for the padlock and also the S in the HTTP, please. Okay, point number 2 is ensure you have a dedicated card for your online transaction. So this is what I'm trying to say. I know a lot of people buy things online. I know people pay for courses online. Basically, I know we do almost a lot of things online where you need to insert your ATM card details online to pay for whatever you want to pay for. So this is what I'm saying. This is, in my own opinion, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to have a dedicated card, whether it's a debit card or a credit card, and I will ensure that I have a limited fund in that card, and that card is dedicated only for online transaction. So if I have a card and I'm trying to pay for something online, maybe the goods is like $500, so in my account I can have like $505 or $510. You get? So in that card I'll just have that $510 and I'll pay for it. So that card is dedicated for only for my online transaction, and I have limited fund on it. This is just for you to be safe, really, just for you to be safe and ensure that in case the account get hacked or that your ATM card get hacked by scammers, at least you're still safe, that you don't really have anything in that account. So that's why you need to have a dedicated card for your online transaction. Point number 3, ensure that you have a dedicated email address for your online transactions. For those that do online transactions, I know at a point you need to put in your email address if you're trying to log into that site. So you have to make sure you have a particular email address dedicated for your online transaction. Just like my previous point that I said, you need to have a dedicated ATM card. So also have a dedicated email address if you're doing any online transactions, and ensure that the password you use to log into that site is not like your main password. It's just like any random password you use, because anything can happen. Your account can be hacked, and you will not want your main email address to be hacked, and all your details will just be stolen. So ensure that the password is just like a normal random password, and the email address is an email address dedicated to that online transaction. Point number 4, avoid public Wi-Fi. in as much as you want to have free access to internet, you need to ensure to avoid using public Wi-Fi. Transacting business online or doing any financial transaction using public Wi-Fi is very dangerous. Hackers are everywhere, scammers are everywhere. They can hack into they can even steal your login details or steal any information because you are connected to their network or their internet. So ensure that you avoid public Wi-Fi when doing any transactions, or just try not to do any financial transaction when you're in a public gathering. When you get to your home or your comfort of your house or your office or a very conducive place, you can do your financial transaction, but avoid public Wi-Fi. The final and the main point is check the legitimacy of the company. You want to ensure you check the legitimacy of the company you want to work for, invest in, and transact with. You want to make sure that the company is legit and they're actually okay, and you need to do your research before you sign up on any site or any company. The internet can be a place of shady business if you are not careful. Don't fall a victim. Also ensure you need to read reviews before you download any app, and also use the security check. This is the end of the phase 1 of this video. On the phase 2, I will be featuring speakers that are going to talk about how they make money online on different platforms. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please share with your friend. Stay tuned. I'm sure you enjoyed the phase 2 of the video. Yes. Bye.